Now you check if your hole is a standard size 85-45 lock body. Okay, just fix like this. Put the screw. And tight. Okay, now you check. You have this one already. Okay, after make little hole from here for the wire. Okay, in the box we have this screws. We have the short, male, female, and long. Okay, first you take the small size. Okay, after fix in here, this is the front side. Okay, fix from here. It depends on the hole where you will make it. Check. You fix like this. This is front side. Okay. After, this is your door. Insert the wire.
Yeah, this one. Sure.
You want to check this?
Does it have enough?
Do you have quantity?
Yes, how many pieces you need?
Huh?
How many pieces you need?
Put the rod.
14, 15, 15.
14,000 you need to have no problem. If you need 14,000 also have no problem.
It's coming like this.
How much more?
This one only...
Take this part. Okay.
This side.
Insert.
Then 6. Price is
You
good.
give me discount?
14 pieces or what is it?
Give me 4 dirham. 5 dirham. For 13 piece, how much come?
After you need to take this another
65.
screws little bit long.
13 piece, 65.
For
Okay?
5 dirham. You want?
They don't. 13 or 14? Okay.
Make the screws.
Okay,
And
15
make
pieces.
tight.
But all are the same, yeah? The up and down.
Once you tight, take this part inside part and fix this wire. Okay. Find the solution to put this inside. And fix.
Curtain holder. Why you didn't give me this?
Now fix like this. Okay. And inside the box we have this small screws.
This one,
Fix from here.
this one. There also. All long one or
هذا نيل
Yes.
سجل نم تاني اهو هذا نيل
طب شوف يا شاطر من تشيل
هذا مو مشكلة هذا شركة ما فيها
Thank you.
Okay. Keep the this. कल्पू ये नाम चेंज करके इनको दे दो ना.
Put this four screw. Okay.
هذا ما في مشكلة والله هذا ما في مشكلة
لا أول مرة نفريجي لازم ريد كله شيء clear. شو اسم ريد كم باري شو جهاز ريد.
And put the battery.
أنت يجي تاني مرة just فاتورة. How much?